Hello, so we've just arrived at an hotel in Washington called the Mayflower, and I'm just showing you this little tiny bit here first because it is just absolutely beautiful. Look at this, like gorgeous carpet. The corridor is amazing, and we're going in here, room 428. So you've got like a little entrance way here with a little light. It's just like a little kind of it's like an entryway, isn't it? That kind of is what it is. And then here's our gorgeous room. So we've got two beds, not as big as the beds. I think they're queen, aren't they, maybe?
Yeah.
So we've got like two queen beds. We've got a walk-in wardrobe just here. So it's like a full length mirror. And then goes into a wardrobe that I've just threw our coats and sun bags in. But we've got hangers in there, we've got spare pillows. Oh, there's like hooks there to hook your coats up with.
That's good.
That's good. Both sides they've got hooks, laundry facilities, safe, ironing board. Then you've got a huge mirror here as well. That's lovely, isn't it? And then they brought all our cases up for us on one of those like really cool little trolley things.
I think you said that's the first
But,
time we've ever had that
yeah,
happen.
like we used it ourselves, didn't we, at Mint House?
Yeah.
But I've never known it else. Literally, we got out the taxi and they were there at the door checking into this hotel, took the cases, put it on, took it in for
We've
us.
checked in like 4 hours early
Yeah,
as well.
it's only 11:15 and they've said we could check
We
in.
got to the front desk because I'm sure our room isn't ready. Can we just check our bags? And she's like, no, let's make something work.
Yeah, amazing. So then they've got TV here. That's good. Sleep well. Channel guiding, theatre movies. And then they've got lovely chest of drawers here. Oh gosh, yeah, big drawers. There's 4 big drawers there. Then there's, oh, that's look cool, look. It's like a little chest.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. A little there. There's another lamp. Then there's, I'm not sure about plugs actually. Oh, there's a plug there. You could take that. Oh yeah, that's not even in a plug there. Two USBs there. Then they've got like this here, like a bit of like a half chaise lounge, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's like you could move the table
With
for your
like
own
a
needs.
table, yeah. So it must be that you could even have that like at the bed, couldn't you, or stuff like as a
Yeah.
bedside table, or
Noticed that there's enough
if you
on
were
there
sat
for that.
I've got my
eating.
own bedside
Yeah.
table.
Then there's a lovely desk area here. Oh, there's pop-up sockets here as well. Look. So that reminds me of the Grand Flidging actually.
Yeah.
They had that in the Royal Disney Suite, didn't they? Little pop-up socket. So another plugs, USB again. Bin, table. In here there is a mini fridge.
Which isn't actually listed either. It's a bonus.
Yeah, so bonus of a mini fridge. They also gave us water when we checked in, a small bottle of water each, and said if you want any more, either get it on your way out or ring downstairs and just say how many you want and they'll bring fresh water up for you. Full coffee machine here, breakfast blend. Then there's little kind of stirrers here where they've got sugar, creamer, what's the other thing in it? Sweetener. Don't think there's tea bags.
No tea for me.
Oh, that one's got little milks in that one. But we brought tea bags with us from the other one, yeah. Ice bucket and glasses. I love this little lamp. That's really cute. Then they've got even just like here, like a massive space here. There's loads of space, isn't there? Gorgeous photos. And then here there's another chair. So there's like a chair and a poof there. So you can, it's just to pull it across, Matilda, so you could pull it to a different place. So say you wanted the chair over there.
Mummy, you still get your poopy poo.
And then again, like another little table here, which again can slide over the top of that. Like you can see there, you could slide that round to that chair. So you could have that on that chair. You could slide it over there, couldn't you, and have it like next to your bed.
Has some names
On the wall, I just want to work out what it was.
Is there a house on there?
the famous people. It must
Yeah.
be people who've stayed
Oh,
here.
Walt Disney's on there.
Oh yeah.
I think
Walt
it's people
Disney.
have stayed here.
Walt Disney right above
Walt Disney.
them. Walt
Sorry,
Disney.
we've thought Walt Disney now and they've both gone mad.
Well, that's Patrick Matilda.
So you can just see it there. Walt Disney,
Yeah, this must be the signatures that people have stayed.
Harry
in this
Truman,
hotel.
don't know who that is.
He
Bob
was a
Hope.
president. Bob Hope was a game show host.
Leonard Remy.
Charles Edison.
JFK.
JFK. Charles Edison invented the something, didn't he?
Kennedy.
Oh yeah, John F. Kennedy. Wow, here's a cool. I mean, this is like the outside of it. You can see here. Look, it's absolutely beautiful hotel.
Oh, this isn't a hotel.
I know. I thought we can't be staying here. It's like the Ritz.
When we were packing the bags, I was like, should I met? at the right place.
But there's a shop, there's a gift shop.
Gift shop.
There's a gift shop, a CVS outside. It looks like there's a bar and a cafe and a restaurant and everything by the looks of it. We've just not had a chance to even explore the hotel. And then this is our gorgeous view. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. And the sky is blue.
One thing I've noticed
And
just
you
from
guys
the
will
car
be
ride
there
here
too.
is how clean this city is.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And it's literally 4 blocks away is the White House. Shed, then when you get to the White House,
Turn left,
you're like a block away and basically everything's there, like the whole yeah, so she gave us a map, which is really kind of her, and she's like circled on it where the hotel is and where
everything else is.
upside down.
She just
So she
highlighted
said
everything.
we are
Where's the White House?
we're there.
Yeah.
That like kind of yellow splodge there, and the White House is there. So she said you've literally just got to walk down here and there's the White House. And then obviously after you've done that, you can carry on walking to the Lincoln Memorial. Sorry, that's Washington Monument, isn't it? Then you can go all here. There's the Lincoln Memorial there. So you can go there to
And
that
then all the
one.
Smithsonian's
Should
are
all
around there
these
as
are
well.
all like open all the time because it's just monuments, your day, night, anytime. And then if you go along here,
That's all the Smithsonian's
up to the Capitol building, all the Smithsonian, you can see there, Natural Museum of American History, National Museum of Natural History, National Gallery of West Art, National Air and Space
That's the one
Museum,
where-
National Museum of the American Indian and National Native American Veterans Memorial. So you can see them all there, Smithsonian there, National Museum of American History, National Museum of African American History and Culture. They're all literally all there like that. It just seems to be that's kind of the area, and we're literally there.
Yeah.
So it is so close. Oh, we've got Chinatown there as well. So we really are close to everything that we want to kind of do and see. And it's good because it's got things on it. Look, Metro, Memorial, University Hotel, water taxi. That's good. Tells you like the routes, and it's got like a map system here. So it tells you all the
stops on
the routes and the maps. So you can see there, look, National Mail. Tells you all the different kind of things and where you can go to. Really, really kind of her to do that.
Yeah.
And they said, didn't they, he wants to know anything about the hotel. It's got a lot of history in this hotel.
I want to
And I can see why. And didn't she come downstairs? She said, I'll be here all day.
Yeah.
She pointed to another lady.
Yeah.
Even they said about the concierge. Go and talk to concierge.
Yeah.
They'll tell you anything about the local area. Come down anytime you want, and we love having a chat with people. Which is really, really nice, isn't it?
We probably should have
So,
taken it, but
I'll kind of pan from the front door now so you can just see. Oh, sorry. So you can see there, look how gorgeous it is. But yeah, I completely forgot to show you the bathroom because I'm just waffling up. So here's the bathroom. So you've got a low bath, which suits me because I don't get in the bath anyway, and it's better for me to get to the shower. So low bath, lovely like marble edge and tiles. And then it's shower head, grails, obviously toilet, hanging towel. And I love this mirror with this kind of like design around the edge of it there. I think that's really, really pretty. Then you've got like amenities here. These are called the lava ones. So you've got hair wash, cream, rinse, I'm assuming it's conditioner, moisturiser, gentle face soap, tissues. This doesn't open, but there's plenty of storage under there to store your toiletries and stuff. And then there's like towels and a little hairdryer there. I think I thought it was because it looks like it's got a handle, but it definitely doesn't. I think it's just like a decorative thing. But like I said, there's plenty of space under there to store toiletries, plenty of space on the sides there. You know, there's even space all around here to put stuff in the bath. So it's definitely spacious enough, isn't it?
yeah.
Plenty of space for everything.
You could sit here and you could just have your lunch here and a drink here. And you could just sit and watch TV.
Yeah, I think it might be a bit hard to get all the cases in that little cupboard. But there's plenty of space, like even over there, isn't in that corner, even where they are now. There's just because there's no under the bed storage, but there's plenty of space in the room for it, isn't there?
Yeah.
But I think that's going to end our little tour. I think we're going to try and get our bearings in a little minute. And then we'll catch up with you soon.